All right, guys, we officially made it back to the trailer, and now it's time to spruce things up. Let's go. Wait a minute, but how did we get here? What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids. I'm so mad I didn't grab my camera when I just went through what I just went through. My refrigerator stopped working, guys. It stopped working. I went outside. I was trying to find a reset button, going in and out the trailer for probably 45 minutes? Apparently, maybe I pressed this button or held it down for too long and it turned off the refrigerator. So all I had to do was hold it down and it turned the refrigerator back up. So yeah, this was just another small panic of all the added that I've been going through over the past few days, but it's all good. We figured it out. The refrigerator's working. This is still the same day. If you've seen all 3 episodes of the flood issue, it's over now. And now I'm just gonna, take you guys along every day of this journey and pray that things get better. In the meantime, let me show y'all my view. Look, I'm on live. Everybody say hi. All right, so this is my view. So pretty. Still waiting on my bed. Y'all will probably see my bed in this video. Somebody, do y'all know how to teach a dog to not be scary? He's very scary. Like, he be scared of everything. What's the problem? Is you cool? All right, I gave y'all, that was like a little clip of yesterday. We're in a whole new day. I am about to get my bed, y'all. I'm so excited. My mattress will be here in literally a few hours. So I'm out just like running a few errands before it gets here. I'm hungry. I'm about to just get a donut. I know you're probably like, eat some real food, but no, I'm just gonna get a donut for now until I really know what I want to eat. A donut and some coffee. Also, I broke my bag, so we're gonna go run to Ross or something to buy a new bag. And I need to go to Walmart so we can get some stuff for the RV. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please make sure you watch until the end so you can see my new bed. And so I can tell you guys how comfortable it is, because maybe you'll wanna buy it for yourself or for someone else. Anyways, we're in traffic right now. Don't know why. There must be an accident or something, because there's never traffic on this road. But I will see y'all when I get to the donut place. So we made it to Shipley Donuts. Hi, may I have a chocolate sprinkled donut? A iced coffee. Can I have like the salted caramel? What beverages do you have? Oh, I'll do salted caramel hot coffee. Oh, okay, you can do regular hot coffee. Yes. No, that's all. Thank you. Not gonna lie, I'm upset they don't have any iced coffee. Like, what the hell-y? What the hell-y-ante? Oh, 10.19? And the cream of sugar's in the back. Okay. Thank you. Okay. When she said 10.19, I was like, wow, my brain be like thinking stuff without actually saying it out loud. It's 6.19, not 10.19. I promise. I'm going to the gym on Monday. So I'm just not looking in the bag to make my coffee. Why would she give me that much sugar? If you hate your job, just say that. Bro, literally before I left Nate's house, I checked the delivery status on my mattress. And it said it was going to deliver at between 3 and 7. And I left at 12:30. And I just checked again and it's delivered. I'm happy, but I'm just like, wow, I could have just sat there for a little bit. But we're going back to Nate's house to get the mattress. And then we're going to go do our small little errands that I mentioned before. And then we're going to go back to the RV and set up the mattress. Y'all, why this looks like, oh my God, is this a bus that someone lives in? Look at this bus. Look at the bus. Oh my gosh. It had curtains on the back, so I feel like someone does really live there. I'm like, what the hell? I wish somebody was in there, or I want to tour it. Y'all, I just be want to look at everybody's tiny homes. I just think they're so freaking cute. All right, let's go get the bed. I'm so excited. just slid this down the staircase. Mommy can put this in here. Ugh. Oh, that was a lot. All right, y'all, let's go. Okay, so we officially made it to Walmart, and you cannot take dogs into Walmart, so he has to stay in the car. So I tried to put something up so they can't tell like no one's in the car, because I have to leave my car running. It is too hot in Texas, but we're just gonna run in and get like a few things and run out. Pops, you be a good boy, okay? You have to be a good baby, okay? Mommy be right back. Okay, so I'm literally just grabbing like some like bathroom rugs, because you guys saw that after the flooding. I ended up throwing out those rugs. They were already they already came from my house anyways. I needed a new set anyway, so. But I wanted to get something like, you know, colorful. I think I am going with like more of a white teal look inside, but I don't know if this will look right. I plan on doing like teal cabinets in white. Oh, I like this mustard yellow look. What y'all think? We gotta make this quick. I don't like the shape of this. Oh, what about this? Oh, this one looks cute too. All right, guys. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up picking when we get to the trailer. Now I need I wanted to put like some eating mats on the table. So like, you know, make it a little more homey. Actually, you kind of can see what I got. Kind of already can see. We just need placemats and we're gonna go. Need anything else, I'll have to come back out when I put Ozzy in the trailer. And shout out to the people that be setting up the cameras and going to get stuff so y'all can have some nice little B-roll, because baby, no, I'll be ready to go. All right, we got our things. Now let's head back. It looks like it's about to rain. It's always about to rain. Like, bro, Texas weather is crazy. Is there, can we just get a consistent good week with just good weather, please? I thank you, man. I thank you. Not gonna lie. All right, I'm lying already. I forgot that I needed to go to Burlington. I broke my little bag that I be using. It's like my content bag, my everyday bag, because I always have a lot of ish with me. I broke the strap yesterday. So we're gonna go to Burlington and see if we can find us a nice new bag. All right, we already see some nice little bags. Not little. If I could keep white. This is kind of cute. This is Steve Madden bag, but I won't be keeping that white. I know nothing about brands, and truthfully, I don't care about brands. I'm not even gonna lie. I just need something. I be wanting to do color, but then you can't wear it with everything, you know? But I be wanting color, y'all. This would fit everything. Who is this? It's like a beach bag. Alexis Bindle. See my black one? I was able to wear it with everything. I was able to throw that little black bag on everywhere I went. I guess y'all can call me a basic. I got this XOXO bag, and yeah, it has gold. I mainly feel like I'm always wearing gold. My necklace is gold, my bracelet is gold. So we're gonna go with this for now. If you guys have any recommendations on other bags that I can buy, let me know, but I need to get this now because I'll be on the go and my bag is broke, so yeah. Bro, y'all, this line is ridiculous. This line is crazy. This line. Would this be cute? Would this be cute to be on the table? Is that too much? I don't know. Maybe this. It's something simple. What y'all think? It'll make it look homey. People are staring so bad. We got the new bag. Look, it look cute on my arm, right? I know. All right, y'all. I'm hungry. We're about to go to Wendy's, and I know I don't need that. This is a really. Y'all just bear with me, okay? I promise you. Get my diet together, and I get this RV together. Yes, may I have a biggie bag? Yes. Oh, thank you. The crazy thing is, I know I said I'm hungry. I was like meaning to say I'm going to be hungry, and then I have to cook at the RV. There's really anything to eat. There's not anything to eat. So I'm like, now that I have this food, I really don't even feel like eating it. But whatevs. All right, now it's time to go inside and spruce up this RV. Let's go. All right, y'all, we finally made it back to the trailer. I'm inside. I still have to go outside and get some things, but y'all know I'm about to set the bed up. I am leaving this topper on the bottom, but I have this I have this cute little vacuum cleaner, and even though I've already vacuumed and wiped down, I just gonna go over it really quick. Go over the bottom, go over the topper, and then we're gonna bring the mattress in. All right, y'all, I spared y'all the heavy breathing and, you know, me being having a hard time putting this on, but I put the bed down. It's a little big, but just with a little bit of tucking, I was able to get the bed on. This is my new mattress. It does feel nice. Oh, I'm about to sleep like a baby. Must be nice. I just struggled putting this mattress on, but now we have to make the mattress and furnish and finish sprucing up the RV. So let me not get too comfortable, guys. All right, I went to the laundromat the other day before the flood, and I had like washed my covers, and then I was never able to put the covers back on because, well, you guys know. We got the sheets on as good as we could. It's a bit of a struggle, and now we're about to finish making the bed. All right, I'm finally done setting everything up. At some point, you have to make an executive decision to stop the camera because I know y'all saw me stressing out trying to make this daggone bed. But we got everything set up. And before I close up the video, I want to show y'all what the trailer looks like. So this is the bed. It's still inflating. Of course, I just put it together, but it is super comfortable. I got these placemats, and I had to cut them because it was too big. I got this little thing from Burlington just to add some more, you know, some more decorative items around the RV. And these are the bathroom floor mats I ended up getting. Super cute. I like the pink color. You guys see my new slippers? They're so cute. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what the RV looks like. I know, so toot. I'm still on live right now on TikTok Live, but I'm sleepy, about to get off live and just edit some videos and take a nap. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys like this episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And please, please, please follow my Snapchat. All of the links will be in the description. For now, I will see you guys in the next episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids.